Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I'm printing. I'm printing my YouTube name. It's Jim's 3D printing on YouTube, but it's not going to be just, this. Well, it'll be this, but the whole thing is going to come up. It's going to build up, and then it's going to start to curve outwards. I don't know if you guys can see it on there or not. But the lettering gets built up like this, and then it starts to curve out like this. So, alrighty, we'll be back in 6-7 hours when it's done.